whose core values are loyalty, duty, respect, selfless service, honor, integrity, and personal courage. Veterans of the United States Army, as your names are called, please come forward, line up to my left, cross the stage, and remain in place until all the veterans have been recognized. Again, I'm going to ask the audience to please hold your applause until all of the Army veterans have been recognized. From the United States Army, we salute Ralph Aziz, 6 years of service. Luther L. Baker, Jr., 2 years of service. Charles Cummings, 30 years of service. Stephanie Duncan, 2+ years and currently serving. Anthony Irvin Sr., 32 years of service.
Am I trying to get on this side?
Willie Freeman Jr., 8 years and currently serving. Floyd Fresh, 4 years of service. Frank H. Paynes, 5 years of service. Yvonne Johnson, 9 years of service. Francine Matthews, 4 years of service. Samuel Matthews, 16 years of service. Christopher May, 10+ years and currently serving.